The Panasonic S1 and S1R have a lot of different features, and you may want to consolidate your favorite features into what we call our My Menu setting. Let's go ahead and go in the camera and look at how you adjust the My Menu setting. Start by going to the camera's menu. From menu, you want to select the tab with the purple person. From that tab, you'll see you have 3 different folders. Each of them can store 8, so that's a total of 24 potential features you can store in your My Menu. To add the functions, simply select Add. From Add, you'll have a list of up to 31 functions you can include. For this demo, we're going to choose Photo Style, Picture Quality, and ISO Sensitivity. Once you've added them, you can now see in folder 1 we have our 3 options. If you'd like to change the order of those options, go to the pencil, select Sorting. It's then going to ask you to select the menu to move. Here's our order. I'm going to move ISO sensitivity to number 1. So we select Set. Now we press the up arrow, press Set again, and we've changed the order. Once you look at the menu, now we have our ISO sensitivity at the top. If you'd like to have the My Menu be your default menu, meaning that every time you press the menu button, it will take you to the My Menu, simply go to Display from My Menu and turn it on. Once this is on, even if I've gone into another menu to try to make an adjustment, in this case to picture size, every time I press the menu button, it's going to always take me back to the My Menu setting. And finally, if you'd like to delete any of your options, simply go to Delete, Delete Item, or you can delete all. And that's how you make the adjustments to the My Menu settings of the S1 and S1R.